Yeah, got our first problem. I don't have a clutch. Zero pressure. I just checked the fluid. It's full. But there's no pressure. I lost it about 40 miles back in the mountains. And so I've been just jamming the gears until I had to come to a complete stop and then drop it in neutral and shut it down. So we got to do some troubleshooting. I was able to limp it down to the Best Western, which we already had booked, in Alamosa. The problem is it just doesn't have any pressure. It's got a little bit right now, so I really do believe it's a heat-related problem, which I've seen seems to be common with these Harley wet clutches. Get up in the morning, it'll probably have a full clutch and feel normal until it heats up again. So going up the mountains was pretty good strain on the bikes and heated it up a lot, and it's upper 80s, maybe it was low 90s when we were going through it. So yeah, it has a problem. So it's supposed to be in the 40s in the morning when we leave. So if I come out and that thing's got a full clutch, I'm probably just going to send it, just go. We'll see where we make it. I can't be any much further away from a Harley dealer than I am right now.
Yeah.
We're 120 from the miles.
125 miles.
It's Saturday night. Nothing's open Sunday, so staying here really isn't advantageous at all. I think we just keep going north. I'm no quitter, So we're gonna keep heading.
We'll figure it out.
If this thing has pressure when we leave tomorrow, we're going. Since it's cooled down this afternoon, sitting on the side of the road, it started to get a tiny amount of pressure. So about right there, it's starting to get just a little bit. That's enough to take off, but if you're going through traffic, you're going through red lights, it won't work. It will not work. But we'll see. I think we just play this thing by ear right now because I don't have any better plan. I could go to U-Haul and rent a truck and figure out how to do all that, but I don't know. Sometimes I guess just being on the side of the road sounds like more of an adventure. So.
All fails, we got the rope.
We do. It does have the yellow rope. So I really need a cold snack right now. A little aggravated, but hey, it's just part of it. So no use in getting upset about something when you can have a cold snack and forget about it. So let's get a cold snack.
Let's do it.
Something that might work in the rolling tool chest and gas station. Yeah. If this is Miss Dee Dee's fault,
My fault.
hey, say in the comments it's Miss Dee Dee's fault. All right, I want to see lots
It's
of them.
not my fault.
Yes, it is. All right, let's see if this will work. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Brake fluid. Where we got brake fluid at? Stop leak.
.4
Yeah, it said .4.
or 5.
It said .4, but usually to the left. The one all the way to the left.
Right, left.
Lefty. Yep. .4.
I only got one.
That ought to work. That's a little bitty reservoir they got on it. That ought to get us to Sturgis. We can leak that shit all over the place. All right, so once again, nothing's easy, but look here. Look down in there. Right there is the bleeder screw that I'm trying to get to. Because sometimes when you service your clutch, it gets air bubbles in it, and I think maybe the altitude may have brought an air bubble to surface. I don't know, because we can't get this off most likely without removing exhaust, which that ain't happening. Okay, I'm not going to get too excited yet, but I'm starting to get excited.
A little bit.
A little bit.
So, two things just happened. One, the little demon bell rang when I got up, and I heard it. And in the back of my mind, I'm like, is that a sign? Got it all buttoned up. I mean, we've gone through this cycle 3 or 4 times. That feels like a clutch. That feels like a clutch. So the question is, do I just leave it alone or do we do another cycle of this? I don't know. Regardless,
I think start her up.
just give it a test, huh?
Give her a test run. You
Okay.
see how much clutch you have.
Hey, everybody, cross your fingers for us. We're stressing out big time over here. All right, a little prayer and persistence, and we're going to get these bikes back on the road.
Yes.
Oh, it's all good. We're going to make it. Good Lord's with us.
We're going to make it. We got the pump with us. We got brake fluid because, you know, yeah, it could happen again, but we know what to do next time. Try to limp it down, but at least this is going to get us a little closer to civilization. So, hey.
Pray for us, people.
Yep, let's go.